Here's a few pieces of boulder opal from central Queensland. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see in places is a reflection from the lights. Rules in millimetres. First piece I basically just threw in. It's got a little bit of colour there. Maybe just cut it into stone to show the shape of the colour. A bit of matrix on that side. Don't know if it's showing up very well in the little bit of red showing there. This piece, little stone on the end running across there. It's already been semi-shaped. This piece, bit of Koroite type material. Shape it up, leave the patterns in it. Another little bit of matrix type material. And this piece has been chased down. You'll need a Dremel type tool to finish this off. Got a couple of little pock marks in it, but still it's ready to basically polish. I hope you enjoyed. Cheers.